Good Friday evening, Wolfpack. This is Meteorologist Sean Feirstein here at the NCSU Weather Center, taking a look at the current conditions here in Raleigh. It is currently 52 degrees with clear and calm conditions outside, and we'll expect those conditions to persist overnight with temperatures dipping down into the low 40s. And looking at our surface map, we can see why we have this cool and dry high pressure system sitting over the Carolinas at the moment. However, this will not last long as Tropical Storm Nestor, which has recently been named, is looming across the Gulf of Mexico and will quickly move into our area going into tomorrow night. Looking at the satellite, we can see Tropical Nestor spinning over the central Gulf, currently gathering in intensity and organization. And looking at, we can see as of the 5 p.m. advisory from the National Hurricane Center, Nestor is a 60-mile-per-hour tropical storm moving pretty quickly through the Gulf at 22 miles per hour to the northeast. So what do we expect here in Raleigh as Nestor makes its way through? Well, conditions will not be too bad in terms of many tropical cyclones we've seen before. Generally, we expect precipitation accumulations about 1 to 3 inches locally for maybe some minor flooding in a few areas, but luckily nothing too much to worry about. Winds will be brisk, but not too heavy, about 10 to 25 miles per hour, gusts maybe 30 to 35 at most. Going into tomorrow, however, we'll see those conditions. We'll see clouds starting to build in through the morning and into afternoon, and start to see showers make their way in the afternoon associated with Nestor, high of 68. In the surrounding area, we'll see similar conditions, highs generally in the mid to upper 60s, with clouds building in and showers starting to make their way into the afternoon. Going ahead and looking at tomorrow evening, we see that Nestor has already made landfall over the Florida coast and making its way up into Georgia, with heavy precipitation making its way into the Carolinas. So going into tomorrow night, well, it's going to be quite a deluge. Heavy rain and breezy conditions, low of 55. Rain likely to accumulate 1 to 2 inches overnight. And looking at our 5-day forecast, we'll see that Nestor will move its way out pretty quickly on Sunday, with most of our rain falling in the morning hours with a high of 64. We warm up and dry out on Monday, and we see precip will come back. We'll get a few precip chances. We'll get some showers build in on Tuesday, and then we'll eventually dry out and cool down on Wednesday with a high of 69. This has been Meteorologist Sean Feirstein here at the NCSU Weather Center. I hope you have a great weekend and a great upcoming week.